Let's go. We're going to destroy Martin. Hurt his feelings. Alright. That's my move. What you gonna do when I come for you? Now I'm bringing out the horse. You know the routine. Why can't I bring out the horse? No. You never bring out the queen right away, right? That's what YouTube says anyway. And I believe what YouTube says. Alright, well, eat that. What is that? Are you trying to threaten me? Are you trying to threaten me? Well, let's see. How can I save my horsey? Not today, boy. I'm on a miskin. I'm not afraid to step out and destroy. Wait a second. This is just the beginner guy, right? Get nervous. Alright. Get out of here, man. What the heck? You're just going to sacrifice your bishop like that? Alright. Oh, now my pawns are in alignment. I heard that's not good from YouTube. And I believe everything I hear from YouTube. Well, let's move it on up. Moving on up. We got double stacks. I don't think that was a very good move. I need to do better. I can't move my horse because then they're gonna eat my queen. I see you there. I see you there, seeing me. Well, no, I don't want to bring the queen into this, man. This is a family feud. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna bring bring out the bishop, slap a few jaws, do some trades. You're not gonna take out my bishop, man. You're not that crazy, are you? Are you? Sometimes they are. Oh, don't do that. How do you undo that? I don't want to do that because then I forgot he's gonna eat my queen. How do you undo it? I guess tap something else. Queen is angry. You know what? Hold on a second here. Let's bring out some bigger guns. I don't know why I'm going to do that, but I just feel like doing that. Just for the sake of a move. They're just moving their queen around like nothing. All right. I'm bringing out my guns. Should we do this? Let's do this. Should I bring the queen and put it on A4 or what? Throw a check. That's a checkmate, dude. No, it's not a checkmate. We'll just move a pawn up or something. Calm down. Calm down. Getting excited. Well. What have we got here? So now that I move my queen out of the way, I can do some crazy stuff. Pick one. Queen or king? That's a good trade. I'll take it. Say what? They don't want to trade? Let's make a deal, boy. Let's make a deal. Fine, I'll just protect... oh, what? Mind check? Why can't I move that? Eat. My queen is hungry. She's a big lady. Oh, that's not gonna do anything. Gotta get my knights up there. Let's get the knight into the fray of the action. Oh, I know I'm protecting, but there's no one attacking, so they got this guy here. You know what? Can I do a rook thing? Oh, on this side. I'll take it. Protect the king at all cost. He's got all of his guys back. They're all back there, right? What's going on, man? What's going on, man? You know what? I don't like this dilly-dallying here. Okay. You want to trade? Let's make a deal. What? So he can take out my pawn or my pawn, but I am not worried about that. I'm going to do something crazy. No, I can't do that because he's got a knight there. He's protecting the rook with the knight. Well, let's put some pressure on this guy. Feel it! Feel it! I'm gonna check your king, man. I'm gonna check the king. There you go. There you go. Getting brave. Getting brave. Do something. I'm not this good, right? Am I? Nah. Okay, then. Well. Let's just do this. Wait, am I I'm not protecting anyone, right? Let's just... Okay, fine. Check. Get out of here, man. I'm hungry for your... Oh, I was gonna take out the bishop, but then you can still kill me, so I'll just kill the pawn. Okay, this is going good. I'm gonna have to play someone a little bit stronger than this guy in the next game, I think. I can take the what do you call those guys? The rook? The rook 5, right? I'm new, so. Alright, I'm going for it. Bringing in the big guns. The mighty nighty. Wait a second. Is that the game open? Is that game over? Did he... I put myself in check? What? I should have lost them. What the heck? What just happened there? Let's go back. Oh, he just ate my pawn. Okay. I just wanted to see what happened there. Where did my king go? What? Oh, man, I'm so confused. What is happening? Okay, it's my turn. Let's eat this guy. Get out of here. Alright, let's checkmate him, I guess. That's all I have to do is... Yeah. Bam. What? No! What? What is... Go back, man. Okay, I wanted to eat this guy. Oh, it looked like it was on top of him, and I had to go one more square. All right, checkmate. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Come on, man. Go back. Oh, this is irritating me now. I feel Tabasco sauce running through my legs. Checkmate. I beat Martin. I'm not happy about it right now, though. I'm mad.